What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are headed back over to Greensboro today. So while we were over there picking up the 59 Belair, me and Hunter ended up falling in love with another car that Andrew has over there. It's a 1958 Del Rey, four-door of course, but it's a cop car. He's had that thing for sale for a while. Nobody's really wanted it. Everybody's kind of sleeping on it if you ask me. It's kind of rusty, but me and Hunter are gonna get that thing bought. We're gonna pick it up today, bring it back. I have got all the parts ordered to air ride this thing, slam it down on the ground. We're gonna put some 20-inch solid white steel wheels on it, and we are really excited about this car. It's a 283 automatic. It's supposed to run, don't know if it runs great. Hopefully it runs good enough to cruise around town and enjoy. But we are headed over there right now to pick that thing up. So let's get over there and get that thing loaded up on the trailer and get back home. Oh yeah. Need to straighten up now. Plenty of room on my side. But it won't really move. All right, guys, we're back. We're going to get the 58 unloaded. Hunter already got the engine transmission unloaded real quick. It's a little hit or miss. It's got one brake and it likes to lock up.
Is it this one?
I don't know.
Yeah.
All I know is I stabbed the brakes hard out there and it locked down and didn't want to roll no more.
You gonna get some Mayberry painted on the door?
You're gonna have to. The old Farney Boff rig. All right, let's tear down. No, too far, my bad, sorry. Let me show you guys what just showed up. Lucky for you all, y'all get to see it all in one video, but we've been waiting weeks for this stuff to show up. Oh yeah, what do you think about that? This whole section right here is nothing but parts for the 59 and the 58. We got the 58 on the lift right now, and we're gonna start gathering up all the parts here for it, and Casey's gonna start getting them bags installed. Get that baby on the ground. All right, guys, we're sorting through our parts here, getting some of our stuff laid out. Hoses, we're gonna do all new brakes and stuff, air tank, some brackets. Casey's already got some brackets out here. So Casey's got this thing up in the air. Casey's gonna start getting this thing tore down. She got a new fuel tank in her. Woohoo! Now this old gal, she's a little crusty. She's not the most beautiful jewel. She was cheap, and we like cheap. Sorry, my battery died. As I was saying, we like cheap. But look at these floors. Pretty solid. Can't complain. Front's got a little crust in her. Small hole, nothing too major. Driver's side's actually pretty decent. Y'all probably can't see nothing. I'm telling you, she's a diamond in the rough. She's gonna look good slammed down on the ground though. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up here with Casey. He's gonna get this thing tore down real quick and get this thing slammed down on the ground by the end of the day, hopefully. Had to break the torch out real quick. Lock them springs in half. Casey's getting this exhaust out of our way. We decided this exhaust is going to rub our bag. We think. We made the decision that it's going to rub the bag. Just hang in there, huh? Hang in there, son. Watch out. Oh!
That's some good exhaust out there.
That's right. Ka-chow! Spring tried to fall down and kill me. Final destination 2. Oh yeah! Muscles, baby. We got her stripped down now. Strip it down. Strip it down. Me and Hunter got these wheels and tires mounted. On the old Chinese Wing Long tire machine. Casey's got the brakes tore down. Everything looks real good in here. Shoes actually look fairly new. Still see the part number on the side of them. Nothing's leaking. So we're gonna go ahead and run everything here. Casey's got the bags installed. We'll be putting the wheels and tires on this thing in the back here in just a minute, and then we'll be moving on to the front. Ooh, that's probably hard on the bag.
Jack's down there.
Well, I guess you know. I'll probably drop it down on the ground and see how far our stock is. They probably won't compress far enough, but. All right, we went ahead and put a block on the other side and lowered it down. It'll go just a little bit lower, maybe an inch at the most, but this is about what we got so far. Aired out. It's not as low as I'd like, you know. I'd like these rockers on the lift, but it'll do. You know, to some people, that's a style right there. If I had a straight axle in the front, just make a gasser out of it. Did you have to drill these out to a bigger hole?
Yeah.
All right, so on these are your bump stop holes. Got to open them up to 3/8. We think the notch goes to the back, courtesy of Puddin's Fab Shop. And front end's pretty simple for the most part. Tear it down and then put your brackets in. You got to drill 2 holes up here for these, but man, it's pretty easy, really. Once you get the holes drilled, I think we've got to take the plate off, bolt the plate to the bag. And top one has a nut welded in it. Put some all thread in it. Goes up through the top through your shock hole. Bolts the top bag bracket in place. Continue on, Casey. You're doing a fine job. Alright, we got everything bolted up. Got our fitting in here. All thread in. 1 bolt in the bottom. And now we got our airline run through. We're going to hook our airline up, put our bag in place, put our nut on the top, start putting it back together.
And it's all thread.
Yeah. We'll whack that off later on. You got the nut and stuff for it?
Yeah, it's in my fingers.
Okay, good. Oh my. Wallanta. Looky here. We done got our ratchet wrench stuck on there. Flipping crap, Bo.
Just have to zip her off of there. Because you can't go back without flipping this one.
Oh yeah, that's one of them ratchet wrenches. You gotta flip it upside down to go backwards.
Yeah.
Get the sawzall, son. Oops. Aww. Oh no.
That's way over there.
Our lightage. We saved our ratchet wrench though. Ready?
We're gonna have to do it in one motion.
I can get under there and probably do it for you.
Yeah, be sweet.
Oh!
That ball joint's pretty tight.
Oh golly, Bo. This thing ain't no jalopy.
Huh.
Okay. Can you get it? There you go. Teamwork, baby.
Makes the dream work.
That's right. Oh! That ain't bad.
Oh no. Okay.
I think we're pretty close, Casey. Didn't come with a washer. At least ours didn't. There was one on it?
Yeah.
Oh great, ours didn't. Friggin' crap, man. You seen Casey pop in front of the camera there, and then camera popped up and said, camera too hot. Turned itself off. Casey done tore my camera up. Alright, we got it back together in the meantime while we stuck the GoPro in the refrigerator. We're gonna see if we can't get her lowered down here and see what she looks like. Casey got us aired up here, got us some quick fittings put in, temporary, so we can get this thing out the door. Now we're gonna back it off and then we'll air it down just to see what it looks like off the lift and on the ground. All right, we got her out off the lift and down on the ground. Looks pretty dang cool, if I must say so myself. All right, so now I think we're gonna do a trunk floor, a couple floor pans, get the light working on top, carburetor rebuild, tune up, and get this thing ready to sell. Gonna doll up the interior a little bit, seat covers, maybe try to patch up the door panels a little bit best we can. The door panels are nice up top. I wish we could somehow just put something over the bottom, make them look a little nicer, but I don't really know what we could do. Try to find us some blue seat covers of some sort. Maybe some Mexican seat blankets. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. Make sure you guys subscribe and like. Tune back in next time. It's not going to be next week. It might be a little bit before we get started back on the 58 cop car. But make sure you subscribe so that you can catch the next episode when we finish wiring up the air compressor and the tanks and get the rest of this air ride stuff installed. We did get the bags on, got that thing down on the ground. It looks absolutely sick. Got the wheels and tires put on it. So this thing's going to turn out pretty cool. But in the next episode, we are planning to do the air tanks, the compressor, the wiring. Going to rip the interior out of it. We're going to recover the seats and just some Mexican seat blankets, or some Mexican blankets. I don't know why I always say seat blankets, but some Mexican blankets. And then we're going to get the door panels patched up a little bit, patch up some rust in the floors, I think, so that you don't kind of fall through it. And then get this thing running good, get this thing tuned up, get it running good. So make sure you guys subscribe. See y'all next time.